Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 62nd session, and now as we are starting the new section, the new 102 section of this course, before we jump into the Excel 102 portion of this course, make sure you download the exercise files that comes with this session right here. You just need to jump into the description of this video, which is right under this video, and you are going to find the links for the files to download. This is attached to the session number 62. So I might add some additional content to the course, so that might get shifted around, but just look for the links mentioned in the description of this video that you are currently on, and you're going to find the three files in there, three links. So you're going to find a Northwind zip file that will be used within one of the exercise about importing data from a database. Then next you are going to find a text file that will be utilized. It's a .txt file that will be used inside of the lecture on importing from a text file. And then you're going to find the Excel 102 exercise file that's your .xlsx file that you will use for the majority of this portion of the course, the 102 section. So make sure you download all three files and follow along with me as we get into the 102 topics, the intermediate topic of Microsoft Excel. I'm excited. Let's jump in and get into this new information. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.